Political Alliance nominee Om Birla was elected as the Lok Sabha Speaker on Wednesday after a motion moved by Prime Minister of India Narendra Modi was adopted through voice votes. Dibyendu Mondal's report for DD India on the first sitting of 18th Lok Sabha or lower house of the Parliament of India.
The first sitting of the 18th Lok Sabha continued through Wednesday. The Parliament convened at 11 a.m. to elect the Speaker of the newly elected Lok Sabha or the lower house of the Indian Parliament. Prime Minister Narendra Modi proposed the name of Om Birla as the NDA candidate to be elected as the Speaker of the 18th Lok Sabha. This was seconded by the Defence Minister Rajnath Singh, Home Minister Amit Shah and other senior ministers of the Modi government. Even the NDA alliance partners supported Om Birla on the floor of the House to be elected as the Speaker. On the other hand, the Congress proposed K. Suresh as the candidate of the UPA alliance to be elected as the Speaker of the Lok Sabha. This motion was supported by the Samajwadi Party, the Nationalist Congress Party Sharad Pawar faction and other partners of the opposition alliance. The motion was put to vote on the floor of the House and through a voice vote, Om Birla was declared as the elected Speaker of the 18th Lok Sabha. Soon after his election, Prime Minister Narendra Modi praised the Speaker for his successful term in the 17th Lok Sabha.
संसद में जो ऐतिहासिक निर्णय हुए हैं, आपकी अध्यक्षता में सदन के माध्यम से जो सुधार हुए हैं, ये अपने आप में एक सदन की भी और आपकी भी विरासत है और भविष्य में 70वीं लोकसभा के संबंध में जब विश्लेषण होंगे उसके विषय में लिखा जाएगा तो भारत के भविष्य को नई दिशा देने में आपकी अध्यक्षता वाली 70वीं लोकसभा की बहुत बड़ी भूमिका रही है.
The Speaker Om Birla took the chair for the second time on Wednesday. This was the third time since independence and the first time since 1976 that this post went into elections. The 9-day Parliament session would conclude on July 3rd with the motion of thanks to the President's inaugural address on Thursday. Dibyendu Mondal's report for DD India.